Commercial Real Estate Investment Guide 2025, High-Yield Strategies for Building Generational Wealth. Commercial real estate, CRE, is a cornerstone of wealth creation, offering unparalleled opportunities for long-term financial stability and growth. In 2025, the CRE market continues to thrive, fueled by innovations, global economic shifts, and the increasing demand for sustainable infrastructure. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand your portfolio, this guide will provide comprehensive insights, strategies, and actionable steps to dominate the commercial real estate market. Whether you're drawn to residential or commercial properties, real estate offers a career path with unlimited earning potential and the freedom to shape your work schedule. By staying informed and continuously honing your skills, you can achieve financial success and professional fulfillment in this rewarding industry. What is commercial real estate? Unlock the door to financial independence and passive income. Commercial real estate refers to properties intended for business purposes or income generation. Unlike residential properties, where earnings are typically limited to rent, CRE generates income through long-term leases with businesses, providing investors with higher returns, stability, and scalability. Types of CRE range from office spaces and retail establishments to multifamily housing and industrial facilities. Each property type caters to specific market demands, offering unique opportunities for wealth building. By investing in CRE, you unlock the potential for passive income, diversify your portfolio, and hedge against inflation, all while capitalizing on a tangible asset. Moreover, commercial properties play a pivotal role in economic growth, acting as hubs for commerce, innovation, and community development. As an investor, you are securing your financial future and contributing to broader societal advancement. Commercial real estate isn't just about buildings, it's about unlocking consistent revenue streams and long-term growth potential. This category includes properties designed to generate income, such as office spaces, where businesses operate daily, retail properties, locations for shopping centers, malls, and standalone stores, industrial properties, warehouses and manufacturing plants that power global commerce, multifamily housing, apartment buildings that provide housing while generating steady cash flow, hospitality properties, hotels and resorts catering to travelers and professionals. Investing in CRE opens doors to financial stability through long-term leases and high profit margins. It's a strategy offering higher returns than traditional residential investments, making it a favorite among savvy investors. How to get started in commercial real estate. A step-by-step beginner's guide. Starting your journey in commercial real estate doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right strategy and preparation, you can confidently navigate the market and secure profitable investments. Step 1. Identify your financial goals and investment objectives. Before diving in, define what you hope to achieve. Are you seeking steady cash flow, long-term capital appreciation, or a mix of both? Clear goals will shape your investment strategy and property choices. Step 2. Secure financing and understand your options. CRE investments require substantial capital, but financing options abound. Traditional bank loans, reliable but stringent. Private lenders, offer flexible terms and faster approval. Crowdfunding platforms, allow smaller investments in larger properties. Understanding your budget and financing options will help you choose the right properties without overextending. Step 3. Research the market and analyze potential properties. Location, property type, and tenant demographics are critical to CRE success. Focus on high-growth areas with low vacancy rates, strong infrastructure, and increasing demand for commercial space. Step 4. Build a team of trusted professionals. A strong team can make or break your CRE journey. Collaborate with real estate agents, attorneys, financial advisors, and property managers to ensure every step of the process is seamless and informed. Step 5. Start small and scale over time. Begin with manageable investments, such as a small office building or retail space, before expanding to larger, more complex properties. Alternatively, explore real estate investment trusts, REITs, to gain exposure without direct management responsibilities. Emerging trends in commercial real estate for 2025. Position yourself for success. The CRE landscape is ever-changing. Staying ahead of these trends will help you maximize your investments and identify untapped opportunities. 1. Sustainable and green building initiatives. Eco-friendly properties with green certifications are in high demand, attracting socially conscious tenants willing to pay a premium for sustainability. Technology integration in smart buildings. IoT-enabled properties that enhance energy efficiency, security, and tenant satisfaction are reshaping the CRE market. Investors in tech-forward buildings can expect higher occupancy and rental rates. Co-working and flexible office solutions. With hybrid work models gaining popularity, flexible office spaces are emerging as lucrative investment opportunities. These spaces cater to startups and remote workers, driving demand in urban areas. Industrial growth driven by e-commerce. As online retail expands, industrial properties like warehouses and fulfillment centers remain hot commodities. Their scalability and steady demand make them an ideal investment choice for 2025. Why invest in commercial real estate in 2025? Explore the boundless benefits of CRE investment. Commercial real estate investment offers benefits far beyond financial returns. In 2025, it stands out as a resilient asset class, even amidst economic uncertainty. Here's why CRE should be a cornerstone of your investment strategy. 1. Predictable and consistent cash flow. One of the most attractive features of CRE is its ability to generate steady cash flow. Businesses typically sign multi-year leases, ensuring a reliable income stream. This consistency enables investors to plan for the future with confidence while reinvesting profits into new opportunities. Unlike other forms of investment, commercial properties offer long-term leases, ensuring a steady income stream. Businesses often sign multi-year leases, reducing vacancy risks and giving you financial peace of mind. Higher ROI compared to residential properties. CRE often provides higher returns on investment, ROI, than residential properties. While residential investments average a 2 to 5% annual ROI, CRE properties in prime locations can deliver returns of 8 to 12% or more, depending on market conditions. Exceptional tax benefits for investors. Tax advantages make commercial real estate an even more appealing investment. Depreciation, offset property wear and tear against income. 1031 exchanges, defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting in similar properties. Mortgage interest deduction, lower your taxable income through interest deductions on financed properties. Protection against inflation. CRE values and rental incomes typically rise with inflation, providing a natural hedge. As living costs increase, your property's value and rental rates often grow in tandem, securing your purchasing power over time. Long-term security and portfolio diversification. CRE investments are tangible, durable, and less volatile than stocks or cryptocurrencies. They serve as a stabilizing force in your portfolio, balancing risk while delivering consistent returns. Here's the updated version, including a new section on real estate agent salaries. Real estate agent salary. How much do real estate professionals earn in 2025? The real estate industry offers lucrative opportunities, especially for agents specializing in commercial properties. Understanding the earning potential can inspire you to explore a career in this dynamic field or evaluate how agents contribute to commercial real estate deals. Factors that influence real estate agent salaries. Several factors contribute to variations in agent salaries. Market conditions. A thriving real estate market means higher sales volumes and commissions. Negotiation skills. Agents who excel in negotiating contracts can secure better commissions. Networking and client base. A strong professional network increases deal opportunities. Brokerage support. Working with reputable brokerages often provides agents with better leads and marketing resources. How to increase your earnings as a real estate agent. If you're a real estate professional or aspiring agent, here are strategies to boost your income. Specialize in commercial real estate. With larger transactions, commercial real estate offers higher commissions. Invest in continuous education. Certifications such as the Certified Commercial Investment Member, CCIM, designation can enhance your credibility and earning potential. Leverage technology. Use advanced CRM tools and marketing platforms to streamline operations and attract high-value clients. Build a strong online presence. A professional website and active social media profiles can help you generate leads and establish authority in the market. How do real estate agents earn their income? Real estate agents typically earn through commissions, which are a percentage of the property's sale price. In commercial real estate, commissions are often higher due to the larger transaction values compared to residential properties. These earnings can vary significantly based on factors such as experience and expertise. Senior agents with a strong track record command higher commissions. Market location. Agents in high-demand urban areas earn more due to higher property values. Specialization. Commercial real estate agents often earn more than residential agents due to larger deals and longer lease terms. Average real estate agent salary in 2025. While salaries vary widely, here's a general overview of real estate agent earnings in the United States. Residential real estate agents. Entry-level agents, $40,000 to $50,000 annually. Mid-level agents, $70,000 to $90,000 annually. Top performers, $100,000 plus annually. Commercial real estate agents. Entry-level agents, $60,000 to $75,000 annually. Mid-level agents, $100,000 to $150,000 annually. Top performers, $200,000 plus annually. Commercial real estate agents typically earn more than their residential counterparts due to higher property values and specialized expertise. Top-performing agents working on premium properties or with high-profile clients can exceed $500,000 annually, especially in high-demand markets like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago. Types of commercial real estate. Discover the perfect fit for your investment goals. Office spaces. High-demand properties that anchor businesses. Office spaces remain a staple of the CRE market, serving as operational hubs for businesses across industries. They range from luxury skyscrapers to suburban office parks, classified as Class A, premium locations with top-tier amenities and design. Class B, well-maintained properties offering affordability without sacrificing quality. Class C, older buildings providing cost-effective leasing options. Office investments cater to long-term tenants, offering consistent returns and reduced vacancy risks. Retail properties, tapping into the consumer economy. Retail properties include shopping malls, standalone stores, and strip centers. They thrive in areas with heavy foot traffic, visibility, and growing consumer demand. As an investor, retail properties offer the potential for high income through rental agreements tied to tenant revenue. Industrial properties, the backbone of e-commerce growth. With e-commerce booming, warehouses, distribution centers, and manufacturing plants are in high demand. These properties offer scalable income potential and long-term leases with minimal maintenance costs, making them an ideal addition to any portfolio. Multifamily housing, reliable income from residential tenants. Multifamily properties, such as apartment complexes and duplexes, provide consistent cash flow and asset appreciation. They cater to the growing demand for urban housing, offering investors stability and scalability. Hospitality properties, profiting from travel and tourism. Hotels, resorts, and motels thrive in tourism hotspots and urban centers. Despite seasonal fluctuations, they offer substantial revenue during peak travel periods and provide diversification for investors seeking dynamic income streams. Conclusion: take the leap into commercial real estate today. Commercial real estate is your gateway to financial independence, offering unmatched opportunities for consistent income and long-term wealth creation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this dynamic asset class has something to offer. Take action now, don't wait to secure your financial future. Download our free commercial real estate investment guide or subscribe to our newsletter for expert insights, tips, and strategies to dominate the CRE market.